Hi, this is Natasha Rocca Devine and welcome to Michael Murphy in Swords exclusively for RSVP Online. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 styling tips. So let's go and get started. So as an interior design and staging specialist, the detail in the design is very much part of my job, particularly with products when I'm styling offices, bookshelves and desks. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 products that I believe will help you transform your space. Number 1, plates, tableware and trays. Very beautiful ones here, but you can go for much more simple, and of course you can eat on them as well, so why not? You can also add candles and plants and mix it up. Number 2, I adore plants. I think naturally, don't go for the faux ones, but they look beautiful, and obviously in store it's necessary, but you can have them on their own like the 3 here. You can add them into pots and you can have them finished touch. Number 3, I love candles and lighting, so very much add candles and pots and vases into your home in any way you can. You can mix and match, put them in, you can put them on trays and enjoy. And number 4, pots and vases. You know, it's an excuse to get flowers or pick them in the garden. Vases you can use, but they're also fabulous when they're styled on bookshelves or throughout your home. And final, last but absolutely not least, these beautiful statement pieces. Whether you pick vases like these stunning pieces here, art, rugs, throws, go for it. So that wraps up my styling series from Michael Murphy in Swords exclusively for RSVP Online. I hope you enjoy my final products. Thanks for watching.